Welcome to this Unity Quick Guide. In this video, we will be covering groups. Groups allow Contact Center portal users to create groups of agents or supervisors that can be assigned as a single unit to media streams via routing phases. To view, edit, and create new groups, begin on the Contact Center portal dashboard. From here, navigate to the Groups button at the top of the screen. Clicking this button will take you to a list of all currently available groups. The Groups table also includes key information that includes the name of the group, the creation level, which determines at what contact center level the group has been created. For more information on creation levels, please see the Unity Quick Guide on creation levels. And lastly, the group type, which can be either agent or supervisor, depending on whom the group has been created for. To add a new group, click on the Add Group button at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to the page where you can create a new group. To begin, start by entering the name of your new group. In this example, we will be building an agent group for WebChat users, and so we will name the group AB WebChat Team. Next, you can toggle on or off whether or not the group is an agent list. Leaving this option set to on will create an agent group, whereas if you intend to create a group for supervisors, you can toggle this option to off. However, as we are making an agent group, we will leave this option set to on. Please note that agents and supervisors cannot belong to the same staff group. You can also choose whether or not to automatically add new staff, which is a useful tool for creating groups that include all staff, or if you are creating a team of new users. In this example, however, we are going to leave this option set to off. The final step in this section is to choose the users who will be part of the new group you are creating. To add users, simply click their names, followed by the Add button. Additionally, you can click to add all users as well as click to remove. You can also select multiple users at once by shift-clicking them as demonstrated. You can also use the Move Up and Move Down buttons to order the users in your new group. This ordering will be applied to the list during routing if you choose a routing type that is set to do so. To finalize and create your new group, navigate to the Add Group button at the bottom of the page. After clicking this button, your new group should now be visible in the list of groups. Furthermore, your new group should now appear in the list of users when creating a new routing phase. For more information on routing phases and how to set them up, please see the Unity Quick Guide on routing phases. Thank you for watching this Unity Quick Guide. For more information and contact center tutorials, including how to build media streams and set up routing phases, a full Unity Quick Guide series is available.